This video is for individuals looking to get into woodworking or for beginner woodworkers. Now you may be wondering, where do I start? Where do I gain the knowledge? How do I get the skills? What I did first is I went to a couple platforms. I went to YouTube, I went to TikTok, and a lot of podcasts. And I just absorbed all the information. At the same time, I started experimenting with stuff in the garage and acquiring tools along the way. Now, my first tool that I actually got was this miter saw here, and I started making projects. Now, looking back, it's kind of fun because I still have one of my very first projects. Now, I made a catch-all tray for like your coffee table or your counter to store like your keys or the remote in. And this was made from pallet wood back then, and you can kind of just see how I put this together. So, very rough. And at the time, I was going for a rugged design and only using my miter saw over here. Then I started making these corbels for door frames to put in and started adding stain and putting some miters in there and also putting some decorative finishes on it. Again, I only had this tool, this miter saw here, and I was making these and selling them on Etsy and other various places. And then I started looking at websites and other products and started to experiment with more techniques. My latest project is this carving board made from walnut, cherry, and hard maple. And I just completed that a little bit ago. Now, your skills are one thing, they'll come with time, but the most important thing is to get out there and experiment and also just absorb as much knowledge as you can. Go to different platforms, learn what you can, go try it out. And another thing is too, is always learn how to fix your mistakes. Not every project's gonna come out perfect, and even though you may want it to, you're gonna have to fix your mistakes. And that is one of the key aspects of being a woodworker, is knowing how to fix your mistake or maybe work around it to make it incorporated into the project.